Hello, welcome to Criterion channel. Today we will learn about COUNTIF function. COUNTIF function is very handy and you can use it. Excel pros use it time to time and daily on the daily basis. And as COUNTIF, as name suggests, count. You can count n number of things and sort n number of datas and values with this function. Likewise, I have stated this example in this worksheet. Numbers, like this is the number list, and if I want to count number greater than 100, we will do that here. And the color, we have this example of colors. I have red, white, yellow, blue, red, and if we want to count the number of red in this, then it will come very handy. And next is name, name or places or anything else. It has n number of uses. You can count on and on and on. Like I have stated in the example, name, I have stated some names in this column, and what we're gonna find starts with R. Name starts with R. So let's continue working with this function, and you can imagine yourself what you want to do with this, because this is the introduction video for COUNTIF functions, right? Okay, so first let's input the formula. Is equal to COUNTIF, open bracket, select the range. Here these are the two values we need to fulfill, two arguments you can say. First is range and second is criteria. First is range. We have to select the range. If you have thousands of data in this column, you can select a column, right? If you don't, if you have some range, you can click control and drag it down to the A7 and click comma. This is the criteria. Criteria is your argument, what you want to find. What we want to find is greater than 100, right? Inverted comma, close the bracket and click enter. Here we find three numbers which are greater than 100. One is this, second is this, third is this, right? So in the case of color, what we're gonna find and how we're gonna find it, let's see. Is equal to COUNTIF, select the range with control, comma, inverted comma, start, red, inverted comma, close, inverted comma, close, and open, close the brackets. Here you go. We have three number of reds in the column C, first, second and third, right? So next we have name starts with R, the letter R. To solve this, we again is equal to COUNTIF. We will enter the function and select the range or column, click control and select the range, comma, criteria. Criteria is inverted comma, start, R. Here we will put the multiple sign, or you can say star sign, and inverted comma, close, close the bracket and click enter. We have four names that starts with the letter R. Here it goes 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hope you like this video, introductory video to COUNTIF function. If you like it, please subscribe to this channel. If you have some question, please put it in the comment box. I will get back to you.